snow. Blowing snow, low 9, 30 miles of gusts, 8% chance, 1 inch snow. Sunday is the same, but the wind chill's gonna be down 15. Wind chill is 15. They update right, so. What's going on right now? Well, wait, we see. Yes, blizzards. I don't believe that. The winter storms got bigger. Wind chill warning have an issue right there. And we see the purple right there. Look at that. Strong cold front. Pause the video to read this. Okay. Same. We'll see the way on. Just white snow, that's it. Well, stay tuned for updates about more snow. Goodbye. See, let's keep spilling it. We're still in some kind of feisty right now. Today is the shortest day of the year, December 21st, 2008. And we got like less than 4 years. But I think it's not gonna happen. Good chance, it's just a calendar, it's just gonna change. That doesn't mean that we're not gonna die. Now the wind chill's gonna be below, yes indeed. But temperature's not gonna be below 0, but Monday night we will, but no snow. Blowing snow, low 9, 30 miles of gusts, 8% chance, 1 inch snow. Sunday is the same, but the wind chill's gonna be down 15. Wind chill is 15. They update right, so. What's going on right now? Well, wait, we see. Yes, blizzards. I don't believe that. The winter storms got bigger. Wind chill warning have an issue right there. And we see the purple right there. Look at that. Strong cold front. Pause the video to read this. Okay. Same. We'll see the way on. Just white snow, that's it. Well, stay tuned for updates about more snow. Goodbye. Oh well, I just want to let you all know we got a blizzard gonna hit right towards us and the wind chill's gonna hit right at us. It's about 4 o'clock, 4:50 in the morning. I'm pretty much sure I'm gonna be up all night. But don't worry, cause I got vacation right now. It's supposed to be. Alright, this clock there set 1. The TV and the clock says 5 in the morning. We got a blizzard coming right at us right now. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The warnings are getting bigger. And that's it. In the afternoon, or maybe in the evening, we're going to see some blowing snow. Stay tuned for more updates on the blizzard and the wicked ice. Okay, we have like an update on this storm. Temperatures are super cold right now. Supposed to get only 1 high today. Right now it's -2 degrees. Look at the temperature right now. That's ice cold. We're on the wind chill warning and a winter storm watch. The blizzard did not touch our county, but we're still gonna get hit. That's right. Blowing snow. And I just woke up in that time. Let's see what's going on in the future. -5 degrees right now. Still dropping. What the hell's going on right now? Look at the wind gusts. Look at the Great Lakes. Look at this lake right there. You really get like 40 miles of gusts right there. So that's 1.4 in that time. Oh, here's the heavy snow right there. Stay tuned for more updates. Oh, that's it. Comment and rank and stay tuned for more episodes on my YouTube show. Goodbye.